Unit 726 in Ocean View. Here's the kitchen area. Formica countertops, standard white appliances. You have a pass-through window into the dining and living room area. There's a fresh painted coat of paint, excuse me, on the walls here, so it's pretty much in moving condition. Here is your views. To the northeast is Golden Beach, the Intercoastal Ways. That's the other Ocean View building, and that's the causeway over to Aventura, where we have our shopping, Aventura Mall and Biscayne Boulevard that has a lot of our shopping centers. It has a wood floor, walnut color. Plenty of closet and pantry space. Here's the guest full bathroom for the second bedroom, which is here. You have a walk-in closet on your right. Another closet there on your left. The bedroom is a nice sized room, probably 15 by 12. There's a high window, but again you have the views. And now to the master bedroom. Let me try to see if I can capture this perspective, the size of this room. There is no lack of closet space in this condo, and you'll see what I mean. Here's the full bath. This is your emergency exit, another door to the main hallway. This is your first of 3 walk-in closets in the master bedroom. And then you have a very large master bedroom. And again, your views. It's a clean unit. It would be very easy to rent. And you also have this little dressing area here with mirror and lighting. Okay, I'm going to walk through it one more time, but I really like the unit. It's very clean. Won't have to do much, if anything, to rent this out. You have your window treatments. No blinds. Already there. The closets are finished. It's painted. That's it. Ocean View, Unit 726. I hope you like it. And that's, one other thing is, to get to the beach, all you would do is walk down this sidewalk here, walk right across the street to Collins. There's a public access point to the left of that building there, and to the right there's another public access point that also has chairs that you can rent, food that you can buy, drinks, and that sort of thing. Okay? Take care.